like I'm at this Madhabkunda Waterfall. Apparently it's the highest waterfall in Bangladesh, so I'm here to explore it and I'll take you guys along and then बीच में बात करते हैं. आ जाए. Let's go. Okay, so apparently you have to get like entry ticket, that's like 20 taka and फिर आप अंदर जा सकते हो. So I bought my ticket, अभी मैं अंदर जा रही हूँ. आ जाइए. It's so खूबसूरत है, it's so peaceful है, green है, you'll just see nature around you. I think it's beautiful. अगर आप hiking के लिए आते हो, you can come for hiking. People come for with families के साथ picnic के लिए. Just look around, it's all green है, like इतना peaceful है, it's खूबसूरत. And I think it's in the middle of the jungle है. Apparently ये जंगल के बीच में है, so you can see wildlife also. Monkeys दिखेंगे, wild chickens दिखेंगे. मैंने कभी wild chicken नहीं देखा, but सुना है दिखता है. Monkeys देखे हैं. So it's very peaceful है, सुकून है. Let me show you. If I stop talking, because I talk a lot, you can hear the nature. I think ये 120 साल पुराना वाला दरख्त है जो इन्होंने रखा है यहाँ पे. उसके ऊपर लिखा भी हुआ है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे बंगला पढ़ना नहीं आता, सो आई नीड टीपू भाई ऑलवेज टू ट्रांसलेट फॉर मी. सो इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड ट्री. आगे चलते हैं, उससे पहले अंधेरा हो जाए. लेट्स गो. You can also find आपको ट्राइबल लोग भी मिलेंगे, but they live deep in the jungle, so I don't think so we can have interaction with them, but they live deep in the jungle. So let me show it to you. Okay. It's a long walk. जैसे मैंने बोला आप हाइक कर सकते हो से 20 minutes यहाँ से अभी. So I'm just trying to reach on time because अब मगरिब यहाँ 5:30 हो जाती है, तो फिर अंधेरा हो जाएगा. And right now it's 4 हो रहा है. So I'm just trying to be a bit कि मैं पहुँच जाऊँ, आपको दिखा सकूँ waterfall जिसके लिए आए हैं. Give me these picnic spots, so people come with family. आप I think picnic के लिए आते हैं, and they can eat and sit, music लगाते हैं, जैसे आवाज़ आ रही है background में. चले. It's nice, no? Peaceful, very calm, like meditation की तरह. चुपचाप. Walk in the nature. I'm just mesmerized. It's really beautiful, and I think we're just near the waterfall because I can hear it. It's so pyara. See, you just get mesmerized. Subhanallah. Let's go. So this is a mandir. I think it's 100 years old. A very, very old mandir. I really want to show you guys, but right now it's getting dark for my waterfall. So probably वापसी में अगर light होगा, तो I'll show you guys. Okay? good day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let's head back now. And I'll try to show you the mandir also if it's still light. Let's go. This is the mirror of the jungle. So, Shivling. I can read it. It's written there in Bangla. So, देखा मैं बांग्ला भी बोलने लगी हूँ और पढ़ने लगी हूँ.